Let's slap it down, folks.
Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my new show, Pimp This Painting! Woo-wee! On this show, what we do is we take old paintings, add to them, and making them brand new, giving them new life, and making them awesome! Bam! Guys, there you have it. We pimped this painting out, brought it new life, new energy, made it look great, made it pop. And that's the awesomeness of it, turning something old into something new. Roll that timeline.